This is a magnetic door latch and how to install it. I first put in a 2x2 here, put 2 nails in, and this is the magnet. And I put 2 screws in, one top and bottom, and there's a slot in this metal bracket so you can move this in and out to adjust how it's going to, the magnet will grip the door. So the trick is to find out where to put the piece of steel on the door. So what I'm going to do is use this piece of blue painter's tape. I'm going to stick it onto the magnet. Then I'm going to shut the door. And the tape stuck right on the door where I need to put the steel. So what I'm going to do is take a pencil, lightly mark around the tape, take the tape off, and this is the piece of steel that the magnet will clamp onto. So I'm going to put that on there. I'm going to mark, this only has one screw hole, so I'm going to mark that. Drill a hole, put the screw in, and then we'll test it. Got the steel plate attached to the door. Let's see how it works here. Nice. It holds well. I don't think I have to adjust anything. It's all set. So pretty easy to do. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.